Hello and welcome once again to the TIC Academy. We're thrilled to have you join us as we consider a topic that's crucial for businesses striving for excellence and individuals seeking to elevate their careers. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying ahead requires continuous learning and adaptation. That's why we're excited to present this informative video, designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical solutions. To what should be an interesting and informative video, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in today's competitive environment. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career journey, this video offers something for everyone. Get ready to explore innovative strategies and best practices that can transform your approach to quality management, environmental stewardship, and occupational health and safety. From the TIC Academy Limited, we are dedicated to providing high-quality training and resources to help you achieve your professional goals. Our comprehensive programs are designed to meet the evolving needs of businesses and individuals alike. At the TIC Academy, we believe that investing in your workforce is the key to unlocking sustainable growth and success. In these days of increased employment costs, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to optimize their operations and reduce expenses. Traditional methods of hiring and training can be costly and time-consuming, and shortages of specialist staff, finding and retaining qualified personnel, can be a significant challenge. The demand for skilled professionals in areas such as quality management, environmental compliance, and occupational health and safety is higher than ever. This shortage can lead to increased competition for talent and higher labor costs. You can now develop your own internal workforce, empowering your existing employees to take on new roles and responsibilities. By investing in their training and development, you can create a highly skilled and motivated team that is capable of driving your organization forward. This approach not only reduces your reliance on external hires, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. To become ISO management system influencers, equip them with the expertise to champion best practices and drive compliance throughout your organization. Our comprehensive training programs cover a wide range of ISO standards, including quality management, ISO 9001, environmental management, ISO 14001, and occupational health and safety, ISO 45001. From QA system administrators, who play a vital back-office support role in ensuring the quality and consistency of your products and services, to managers in QMS, EMS, and occupational health and safety, who lead the charge in creating a safe, sustainable, and efficient work environment. These professionals are responsible for implementing and maintaining quality management systems, conducting audits, and identifying areas for improvement. They are also responsible for developing and implementing policies and procedures that protect employees, minimize environmental impact, and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. There are courses and bundles for everyone, regardless of their current role or level of experience. Our flexible learning options allow you to tailor your training to meet your specific needs and goals. Whether you prefer online courses, in-person workshops, or customized training programs, we have something to suit every learning style and budget. At the TIC Academy Limited, we're committed to providing accessible and affordable training solutions that empower individuals and organizations to achieve their full potential. Our experienced instructors and industry experts are dedicated to delivering engaging and informative content that is relevant to today's business challenges. To develop and maintain your compliance management systems, ensure that your organization adheres to all relevant regulations and standards. A robust compliance management system is essential for mitigating risks, protecting your reputation, and maintaining the trust of your stakeholders. Not forgetting individuals seeking new career pathways, who are looking to enhance their skills and knowledge to pursue exciting new opportunities. Whether you're a recent graduate, a career changer, or simply looking to upskill, the TIC Academy can help you achieve your goals. And employment opportunities. The TIC Academy provides the training and resources you need to stand out in today's competitive job market. Our career-focused programs are designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge that employers are looking for. The TIC Academy has many courses, covering a wide range of topics and skill levels. From introductory courses to advanced diplomas, we have something to meet your specific learning needs and skill level. Our courses are designed to be engaging, interactive, and relevant to the real-world challenges you face in your profession. For you to move forward in your professional life, explore our catalogue of courses and bundles today and take the first step towards a brighter future. We are confident that you will find the perfect training solution to help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Thank you for joining us in this introduction. We look forward to helping you on your journey to success. Now let us move on to an overview of the diverse courses and combined benefits offered here at TIC Academy. We understand that professional development is a continuous journey, and we're committed to providing you with the tools and resources you need to excel in your respective fields. Our courses are meticulously designed to cater to a wide range of industries and professional levels, ensuring that there's something valuable for everyone seeking to enhance their skills and knowledge. Whether you're looking to climb the corporate ladder, stay ahead of industry trends, or simply broaden your understanding of key concepts, our comprehensive course offerings are tailored to meet your specific needs and aspirations. We believe that investing in your education is an investment in your future, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Our courses are invaluable when using them to train as a management systems administrator. These courses provide a solid foundation in the principles and practices of effective management, equipping you with the skills necessary to lead teams, optimize processes, and drive organizational success. From understanding the fundamentals of strategic planning to mastering the art of delegation and motivation, our management training programs cover a wide spectrum of essential topics. You'll learn how to analyze complex situations, make informed decisions, and implement innovative solutions that contribute to the overall growth and profitability of your organization. Furthermore, our courses emphasize the importance of ethical leadership and social responsibility, ensuring that you're not only a competent manager, but also a responsible and ethical one. Our training programs are tailored for a variety of professional roles and business positions, including administrator, manager, lead auditor, and internal auditor. We recognize that each of these roles requires a unique set of skills and competencies, and our courses are designed to address those specific needs. For managers, we offer courses that focus on leadership development, team building, and conflict resolution. For inspectors, we provide training on quality control, risk assessment, and regulatory compliance. Engineers can benefit from our courses on technical innovation, project management, and sustainable development. And for internal auditors, we offer training on auditing principles, fraud detection, and corporate governance. No matter your role or position, our courses will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to excel in your career. Our courses are also designed for those aspiring to become a lead auditor. These courses provide in-depth knowledge of auditing methodologies, compliance standards, and risk management principles. You'll learn how to plan and execute audits effectively, identify areas for improvement, and communicate your findings to stakeholders in a clear and concise manner. Our lead auditor training programs are aligned with industry best practices and are designed to prepare you for professional certification. Upon completion of the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge necessary to lead audit teams, conduct comprehensive assessments, and ensure that your organization is meeting its compliance obligations. Our courses are invaluable for maintaining professional registrations and certifications. In today's rapidly evolving professional landscape, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest industry trends, regulations, and best practices. Our courses provide you with the opportunity to continuously enhance your skills and knowledge, ensuring that you remain a valuable asset to your organization. We offer a wide range of courses that are specifically designed to meet the requirements for continuing professional development, CPD, and certification maintenance. By participating in our courses, you can earn the necessary credits to maintain your professional credentials and demonstrate your commitment to lifelong learning. We offer a diverse range of courses covering essential topics such as CPD shorts, designed for quick and impactful learning, OHS and behavior management, crucial for workplace safety and employee well-being, project management, equipping you with the skills to lead successful projects, ethics, equality, diversity and inclusion, promoting a fair and respectful work environment, effective negotiation skills, essential for achieving favorable outcomes, sustainable development goals, aligning your business practices with global sustainability efforts, ESG, focusing on environmental, social, and governance factors, management decision-making, enhancing your ability to make sound judgments, and performance appraisal, enabling you to effectively evaluate and develop your team members. Our comprehensive course catalog extends to cover delegation skills, empowering you to effectively assign tasks and responsibilities, communication skills, enhancing your ability to convey information clearly and persuasively, relationship building, fostering strong connections with colleagues and clients, time management, enabling you to prioritize tasks and maximize productivity, conflict resolution, equipping you with the skills to navigate disagreements constructively, HACCP, fundamentals for ensuring food safety and quality control, leading a team, developing your leadership capabilities, problem solving, enhancing your ability to identify and resolve issues effectively, and first aid at work principles, providing essential knowledge for workplace emergencies. We also provide specialized training in areas such as ESG reporting, enabling you to accurately and transparently communicate your organization's environmental, social, and governance performance. Corporate governance, ensuring ethical and responsible business practices, mental health in the workplace, promoting employee well-being and a supportive work environment, corporate compliance, ensuring adherence to relevant laws and regulations, ISO management system standards, providing a framework for quality, environmental and safety management, management system, auditor core skills, equipping you with the skills to conduct effective audits, and the circular economy, promoting sustainable resource management and waste reduction. In today's digital age, we offer critical training in cybersecurity management, protecting your organization from cyber threats, information security management, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data, emerging technologies, keeping you abreast of the latest technological advancements, and TIC sector professional diplomas, providing specialized qualifications for professionals in the testing, inspection, and certification sector. These diplomas are designed to enhance your expertise and credibility in this highly specialized field. To make our courses even more accessible and affordable, we offer money-saving registration bundles. These bundles allow you to enroll in multiple courses at a discounted rate, maximizing your learning potential while minimizing your expenses. We understand that professional development can be a significant investment, and we're committed to providing you with cost-effective solutions that fit your budget. Our registration bundles are carefully curated to provide a comprehensive learning experience, covering a wide range of essential topics. Our registration bundles are particularly beneficial for compliance managers, administrators, and auditors. These professionals play a critical role in ensuring that organizations adhere to relevant laws, regulations, and ethical standards. Our compliance-focused bundles provide comprehensive training on a wide range of compliance topics, including risk management, fraud prevention, and regulatory reporting. By enrolling in these bundles, you can enhance your expertise in compliance and contribute to the integrity and sustainability of your organization. We are proud to be an ELQN Accredited Business School. This accreditation signifies our commitment to providing high-quality education and training that meets the rigorous standards set by the E-Learning Quality Network, ELQN. Our accreditation ensures that our courses are relevant, up-to-date, and aligned with industry best practices. When you choose to study with us, you can be confident that you're receiving a world-class education that will enhance your career prospects. We are dedicated to meeting your training and development needs for personnel at all levels of your organization. Whether you're looking to onboard new employees, upskill existing staff, or develop future leaders, we have a training solution that's right for you. Our courses are designed to be engaging, interactive, and practical, ensuring that your employees retain the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. We also offer customized training programs that can be tailored to meet your specific organizational needs. With TIC Academy, your training and development is in safe hands. We have a team of experienced and qualified trainers who are passionate about helping you achieve your goals. We use proven training methodologies and the latest technology to deliver engaging and effective learning experiences. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is unwavering, and we're confident that you'll be delighted with the results. Our commitment extends to providing ongoing refresher training to ensure your skills remain sharp and relevant. The business world is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Our refresher courses provide you with the opportunity to revisit key concepts, learn about new developments, and reinforce your understanding of essential skills. Our core modules are approved by the Society of Operations Engineers SOE, a testament to their quality and relevance within the compliance, operations, and engineering sectors. This approval ensures that our courses meet the rigorous standards set by the SOE and are recognized by industry professionals. By completing our SOE-approved courses, you can enhance your credibility and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. Well, that's just about it for this session. Thank you once again for joining us today. We truly appreciate you taking the time to learn more about our course offerings and the benefits of training with TIC Academy. We hope that this overview has provided you with valuable insights and has inspired you to invest in your professional development. We're delighted to have you here at the TIC Academy Limited, your partner in professional growth and development. We are committed to providing you with the highest quality training and support to help you achieve your career aspirations. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to creating an online learning experience that is both engaging and effective. We sincerely hope this video was useful and informative, providing you with a clear understanding of the diverse range of courses and benefits available at TIC Academy. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to excel in your chosen field and contribute to the success of your organization. Until we meet again in another informative session, we wish you all the best in your professional endeavors. Goodbye, and thank you for considering TIC Academy as your trusted training partner.